Good morning. Let's begin your math lesson review. We're going to be reviewing the work that you've done thus far on lesson 119. So the first thing we need to look at is problem number 12 here. You were asked to subtract two fractions, and the first thing that I see where you've gone wrong is that 2/3 does not equal 6/8. 2/3 does not equal 6/8. Your denominators are 3 and 4. So what does that mean that your least common denominator should be? It's certainly not 8. Okay? 1/4 does equal 2/8, but 2/3 definitely does not equal 6/8. So go back and correct that, please. Here you're missing something. What happened? You missed your decimal here, so be careful. Be a little bit more careful. You were asked to divide mentally 0.5 divided by 10. So you know that you need to move your decimal. If you're dividing or multiplying, but in this case, if you're dividing by a multiple of 10, then that means that you move your decimal to the right or to the left. You move your decimal how many places if you're dividing by 10? Okay, you gave me an answer that was the same as the number that you began with. 0.5 divided by 10 equals 0.5? I don't think so. Okay, so please go back and correct this. B is correct. Okay, next thing, problem number 20. I'm not sure if you took the time or not to to subtract. Did you subtract vertically or you just subtracted in your head? Because 3 minus 1.6 does not equal 2.4. So maybe it might help, which you should be able to subtract in your head horizontally, but otherwise you can subtract vertically and line up your decimals in order to make sure that you get the right answer, because 3 minus 1.6 does not equal 2.4. Okay, next thing is number 26. I believe you're asked to give the perimeter of a shape, and you're told that the base is a 1/2 foot and the height is 1/3 foot. And so you're missing something very important in your answer, and so your answer is incorrect. Also, number 27, you're missing something very important in your answer, and your answer is incorrect. All right. So I think that about concludes it for lesson 119 review. I hope you have a fantastic math class.